Welcome back, everyone. Today I am removing this seat cover from Garrett's seat, and I am installing a new seat cover from the Moped Seat Dude. He's been doing seat covers for a while now. You can find him on Instagram. I'll post a link to his work where you can reach out to him. He does good work and it's very inexpensive. I'm going to remove the existing seat cover by taking out these staples, and I'm going to attach the new one with a SureBond staple gun. This is for upholstery. I'll put a link for this in the description. Please like and subscribe, everyone. I'll also have a link where you can buy me a coffee. It's $5 and it helps me make these videos. First thing I need to do is remove all these staples. I use a little flathead screwdriver. I don't use nice screwdrivers because they typically have ridges in them and that gets caught on the staple. So I actually have a cheaper version that's flat and it can slide under easier and peel up. And usually I just go around and peel up one corner. Once you get the corners up, then I come back with a pliers and I pull them out. And this pliers is magnetic, which is kind of annoying. Alright, this is the last of them. We can peel this off now. Alright, there's the seat pan. Now we can recover it. This foam is in really good condition. Normally the foam is a lot worse, and I actually use this SoFoam and I wrap it around it, and that'll smooth out any creases or any imperfections. But on this one I'm not going to do that because I don't have very much excess on the cover. Usually I like to get the back really straight, and I'll usually put in like one staple on the back, then one staple on the front, and then kind of work my way around. Another nice tool is a heat gun. That warms up the vinyl and makes it a little bit stretchier. Since this has a defined back, I'm actually going to throw a staple in the back first, just to make sure that this line lines up. So I like it right there. I'm going to throw one staple in, and then I can go to the front. Alright, I'm just going to throw one in right here. Just do one at a time. That way you can undo them if you have to. There's a couple little staple ends in there that I want to get out so I don't tear the seat. Then you can kind of pull this over. Alright. And again, I'm just going to do one staple. Okay. So it's a little loose right here and there's a wrinkle. So I want to pull that out like that. Alright, pull that in. Alright, that looks way better. I'm going to put one right here. Alright. And then I like to do the other side to match it. Okay. Put a staple in right there. If you have a wrinkle, I find I can pull right in the middle of the wrinkle and staple, and then go to the next wrinkle and staple. And then you won't have any wrinkles on the edge. Oop, and I'm out of staples. Alright, the back is all done. There are no creases along that edge, which is good. It'll sit really nice and flush. Now we just need to trim it. Alright, to trim it, I just use an X-Acto blade. And this just makes it look a little nicer, more professional, without a bunch of excess vinyl underneath. Alright, there you have it. There you have it. Nice new cover. Alright, thank you all for watching. This is the seat. Looks great. Cleaned everything up. There's no wrinkles along the edges. Looks really smooth. I used a little bit of heat to make it form a little bit better. That's all it takes to put on a seat cover. Hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe. Buy me a coffee. Check out Moped Seat Guy. Check out Garrett this year at some rallies or at some rides. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.